Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Eagle 4x4. I've got the new Volkswagen Amarok here lined up next to our next generation Ranger. One of the questions that people are asking us is, why is it that when I lock my vehicle like this, the mirrors don't fold in? It's a big truck. If you're parking it in the supermarket parking space, ideally you want those mirrors to fold in. The good news is the functionality is there. It's in the vehicle. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how to activate that. I don't know why it's not activated as a default, but here we go. So I'm going to unlock the vehicle, jump in, switch the ignition on, wait for the screen to load up here. And I'll just show you how this is done. Just takes a few seconds for it to load up. So at the top here, we've got the home button. So press that, and then we get a number of options here, and one of those is vehicle. So we press that, and after a few seconds we'll get a number of options. So there's all sorts of things that you can personalize, such as the way the windows work, the wipers, the lighting. You can set rear occupant alerts so that you can make sure that they've got their seatbelts attached and so on. But if you scroll right down to the bottom, you'll find here the option for mirrors. Press that, scroll up a little bit further, and you'll see here that we've got the option for Autofold. Tap that, so it's switched on. Close that by pressing the cross button at the top here. That takes you back to the home screen. And then if we switch the ignition off, jump out, and now with my key, when I press the lock button, the mirrors fold in. Hopefully that's going to protect the paintwork, people brushing past them, scratching them, etc. Unlock it, and the mirrors fold out again. Really simple fix to a basic problem. So if your Amarok's been delivered and the mirrors aren't folding in, now you know what to do. We've got another video on how to do this for the Ranger, so why not like our channel, hit the subscribe button, and watch as we turn this Amarok from its bog standard state here into a bit of a beast. And we'll do a similar sort of conversion to what we've done on the Ranger there. If you're looking for accessories for your Amarok, don't forget to visit newamarok.co.uk, where you'll find all the Eagle 4x4 accessories for this vehicle, and keep watching for more updates.